Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today's lesson is about number arrangement and also number pattern. These two topics, why I'm teaching you these two topics together? Because these two topics is related. Okay, so it's okay. Let's start with the number arrangement first. What is number arrangement? There are two things in arrangement number. Is ascending order and descending order. Okay, what is ascending order and what is descending order? Ascending order is the arrangement number start with smallest to largest or greatest, while the other hand, descending order, it's from the arrangement number start with greatest number to smallest number. Okay, so first we start with the first example. Okay, wait. So our first example, what we have here, let's say we have 14, 17, 16 and 19. So the question asks you to arrange this number in ascending order. So just remember, ascending order is a smallest arrangement number from smallest to greatest. So you have to find the smallest number in these numbers. So the smallest number, if you confuse which one is the smallest, you just have to compare the ones placed here, because only the one place here is have a different number. So this one is 9, this one is 6, this one is 7, this one is 4. So in which 4 numbers we can see number 4 is the smallest. So when you want to arrange this number in ascending order, it is start from smallest to greatest. It's like when you walking up into the stairs, tangga. Okay, so the first one is 14. Okay, we've already done 14. The next the second smallest number is 16. Okay, and the third number 17, and of course the last number will be 19. So that's it. This is the ascending order for this number. Okay, when we want to take the same example, but we want to change the question here. We want to find how to arrange this number in descending order. Okay, so just remember, for ascending it start from smallest, so descending it will start with largest lah. Largest or greatest number to smaller numbers. So easy. When you start from larger or greater number, it will be 19. The second larger number will be 17. The third number will be 16. And the last number will be 14. Easy? Good. Last example I want to give you for ascending order and descending order. Okay, so we have here like one 12, this one 13, this one 19, this one 15. So how to arrange this number in ascending order? It's from smaller to largest or greatest. So the smallest one here, as you can see here, we have 2, 3, 9 and 5 in the ones place value. So of course the smaller will be 12. The second one will be 13. The third one will be between 15 and 19 we have left. Which one is the smallest? Of course 15. And the last one will be 19. This is ascending order. But how are we going to, if the question is asking you to write in a descending order? Easy. If this use the same example, the descending order will be largest, greater to smallest. So which one is the biggest one? Of course 19. So 19 here, and the second biggest one is 15. The third one is 13, and the last one will be 12. That's it. Ascending order and descending order. Any kind of numbers, it's the same one. For ascending orders, it will always from smallest to largest. For descending order, it will always be largest to smallest. Okay, clear? Now we go to the second topic about number pattern. Number pattern. Okay, what is number pattern? Number pattern is pattern something that which repeat the same order. Is actually repeat the same order, and it could be first repeating, second it will be growing. The number pattern will be repeating and growing. What are these two things? Okay, let me show you how it's going to work. For example, we have here like 2, 1 and 2. Okay, so this is the order. This is the pattern of the number order. 2, 1, 2, 1. So can you guess what is the pattern here? This is over here 2, 1, 2, 1, and the pattern will be repeating. Is it? After this number 2, after 2 is 1, right? So after number 1, it repeat the same number, which is 2. After number 2, it repeat the same number with 1. So after 1, 2, and after 2, it will be 1. This is we call number pattern for repeating. And number pattern for growing is like this. For example, I'm giving you what are the multiples of 2. Multiples of 2 meaning 2 you have to times with 2, or 2 you have to plus with 2, number 2. So multiples of 2. Multiples of 2. For example here, 2, 4, because 2 plus 2 become 4. 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2, it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it becomes 6. 6 plus 2, multiple of 2. 6 plus 2, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it becomes 8. So can you guess what is the number here? So of course, 2 plus 2, it becomes 4. 4 plus 2, it becomes 6. 6 plus 2, it becomes 8. 8 plus 2, it becomes 10. So this is we call as a growing pattern. Here, so if you're still confused, I will give you another example. Okay, so we're just doing a repeating number pattern first. Okay, first I'm giving you like 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5. So can you guess what is the number here? Okay, when you see, when we say repeating, meaning it repeats the same number again and again and again, but according to the pattern. So as you can see here, after number 3 is 5, after number 5 is 7, and then it repeat again. After number 7, 3, after number 3, 5, after number 5, it repeat the number again 7. After number 7, it repeat again number 3, after number 3, it repeat again 5. So after number 5, and you can see here, after number 5, 7. Here, after number 5, 7. So automatically the number will be 7. Repeating number pattern. Same goes with the again, I'm giving you another pattern. 6, 1, 6, 1. So what is the number here? 6, after number 6, it become number 1. After number 1, it become number 6. After number 6, it become 1. After number 1, it become, again, it becomes 6. So that's we call repeating number pattern. Clear? Good job. So now we go to growing number pattern. Growing number pattern. So it is the same thing also, but the number is growing, meaning getting bigger, bigger and bigger. So first, like I told you before, for example, multiple of 1. Multiple of 1. Multiple of 10, for example. What is the multiplication of 10? Meaning 10 will plus by 10. So for example, we start with number 10. 10 plus 10, it become 20. 20 plus 10, it become 30. 30 plus 10, it become 40. But what is the answer here? So 10 plus 10, it becomes 20. 20 plus 10, it becomes 30. 30 plus 10, it becomes 40. 40, you'll have to plus with 10, so the answer must be 50. So 50 plus by 10, it becomes 60. This is what we're calling growing number pattern. As you can see the number here, the number getting bigger and larger. From 10 to 20 to 30 to 40 to 50, and last one is 60. Okay? Second one, two. For example, 5, 3, 5, 7, 9. Can you guess what is the number pattern here? So 3 to 5. You can see 3 plus 5, 2 getting 5. So 5 plus 2 getting 7. 7 plus 2 getting 9. So 9 must plus with 2 to get this number. So what is the number actually? 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus with 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the answer is 11. Okay? Simple as that. Just that this number will be different according to the pattern. Okay, I hope you really understand about this topic, and I will provide you exercises for you to answer. So if you have any doubt or any question, you can ask me on Telegram and also on Google Classroom. So that's all. Thank you so much. Bye.